Every decade, humanity faces a turning point, a moment that changes the way we live, work, and think. Right now, we're standing in one of those moments. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's here, reshaping jobs, industries, and the very definition of work itself. In 2023, Goldman Sachs predicted that over 300 million jobs could be affected by AI. That sounds terrifying, until you realize something else. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing tasks. And those who learn how to work with AI, not against it, are about to enter a golden age of productivity and wealth. So, let's explore what the future of work really looks like, where humans and AI don't compete, they collaborate. AI isn't a concept anymore. It's a coworker. ChatGPT writes code. Lawyers use AI to draft contracts, and designers use tools like Midjourney to visualize ideas in seconds. Industries that once seemed untouchable are transforming. In finance, AI predicts market movements faster than entire teams of analysts. In medicine, it detects diseases more accurately than human eyes. Even small business owners are using AI assistants to handle their marketing, design, and customer service, all from their phones. This isn't the beginning of the end for human work. It's the end of old work. And those who adapt will find that AI doesn't steal opportunities, it multiplies them. The question people keep asking is, will AI replace humans? But that's the wrong question. The real question is, which humans will learn to use AI effectively? AI is not a rival, it's a multiplier. A doctor using AI becomes a superdiagnostician. A marketer using AI becomes a strategist with data-driven instincts. A student using AI becomes a lifelong learner with unlimited access to information. AI removes repetition, but it amplifies creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. In other words, AI doesn't take your job. Someone using AI will. The AI revolution isn't just automating work, it's creating new work. Here are a few of the careers shaping our future. AI trainers, people who teach AI systems how to respond accurately, ethically, and in context. Data curators, specialists who manage and clean massive data sets to improve AI performance. Automation experts, professionals who integrate AI into existing workflows to save time and cost. Creative strategists, thinkers who combine storytelling, design, and technology to build brand experiences powered by AI. And even AI auditors and ethical technologists, who ensure these powerful systems follow our laws and values. These jobs didn't exist 5 years ago, but they will define the next decade. And the best part? Most of them require adaptability, not expensive degrees. Even in a world driven by algorithms, one thing remains irreplaceable: the human touch. AI can calculate, it can replicate, but it can't connect. It doesn't understand emotion, motivation, or the unspoken depth of human experience. That's where our advantage lies. Leadership, storytelling, empathy, imagination. These aren't just soft skills, they're the future's hardest currency. The more digital the world becomes, the more valuable our humanity becomes. That's why the best future workers will be hybrids, part technologist, part creator, part humanist. So how do you prepare for this new era? Step 1. Learn the tools. Explore AI assistants like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Canva Magic Studio. Use them daily, even for small tasks. Step 2. Build hybrid skills. Combine your existing strength, like writing, marketing, or design, with AI literacy. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to understand how AI can enhance what you already do. Step 3. Create, don't just consume. Start projects that use AI, digital products, freelance gigs, or YouTube automation. When you build with AI, you stay ahead of those who fear it. And step 4. Stay curious. AI evolves fast. Follow industry leaders, read updates, and experiment. The winners of tomorrow will be the learners of today. The collaboration between humans and AI will reshape everything, not just work, but society. We'll see a rise in one-person empires, individuals using AI to manage businesses that once required full teams. Education will shift from memorizing facts to mastering creativity and adaptability. And economies will divide not by geography, but by digital literacy. The countries and people who adopt AI early will see explosive growth. Those who resist risk being left behind. But this isn't a dystopia. It's a renaissance, one powered by partnership, not replacement. Because the future of work isn't human or AI. It's human with AI. The machines are not coming for your job. They're coming to work with you. And those who understand this, who embrace AI as a partner instead of a threat, will be the pioneers of the next generation of success. The question is, will you adapt or be automated? If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more content that puts you ahead of the curve. This is Nelson and Kay, helping you work smarter, earn faster, and live better. Thanks for watching.